No one respects you, and deep down, you know it. They ignore you, talk over you, laugh at you, not with you. It hurts. But here's the truth. You train them to treat you this way. Respect isn't given. It's taken by how you show up in the world. If you let people walk all over you, they will. If you say yes to everything, even when you're dying inside, they'll keep using you. If you hide what you really think because you're scared they'll judge you, they won't take you seriously. People treat you based on how you treat yourself. If you don't value your time, your words, or your boundaries, why should they? Being nice all the time isn't respect. It's fear. You're scared of conflict, scared of rejection. So you play small, hoping people will like you. They don't. They just forget you. Want to fix it fast? Stop begging for approval. Stop trying to fit in. Start saying what you mean. Start saying no. Start standing up for yourself, even when your voice shakes. You don't need to be loud. You need to be clear. When you respect your own time, your own space, and your own truth, people feel it, and they change how they treat you. This isn't about being rude. It's about finally showing up as the real you. Today, not tomorrow. Draw a line. Say no to something fake. Say yes to yourself, because until you do, no one else will.